Sarah, thanks for joining me. So I'm here to share some more Happy Mail. Oh, look at mine. They come like buses, don't they? Normally come in threes. So this is from the lovely Sarah Colvin. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below because Sarah does have her own YouTube channel. I think she's quite new to it, so it'd be nice if you went over and showed her some support. And I've met Sarah through my Facebook group, which is Create with Scrimpingmommy, and she joined and she's been doing the card challenges. And so she sent me this. Now, we were talking about the placemats that, you know, that you can use for tea dyeing. And I think she was going to go and source some. And she said that when she, you know, when she sorted some out, she'd send me one. So whether that's what she sent me, I'm not quite sure. But look at this fab bag. I don't want to turn it, well, I could turn it over, but it's got my address there, you see. Although everybody and their auntie's seen my address on the internet a billion times. But look how fab it is. It's all collaged and stamped, and we've got, look at that, like iridescent paint on there, whether it's mica or whether it's metallic paint, I'm not sure, but how fab is that? It's really lovely, really lovely is that. Loads of stamping on it and flowers and butterflies. It's fab. I might keep it and cut it up into, I think that's a napkin. Is that a napkin? I'm sure that's a napkin under there, and I'm sure I've got that. Might not be, I might be wrong. No, it is, because it's like a swirly pattern. It's a blue napkin, is that? Because I've got it. So what I might do when I've opened it, I may well save what I can. If I open it carefully and cut it up and make journal cards with it, or do an art page or something. It'd be really cool to save in an art journal, which is a fab idea, isn't it? I keep saying I'm going to do, I mean, I've started art journals, you know, with journaling pages, but an actual journal with things in that people send, I could do that as well. My list's about as long as my arm. Oh, look, she sent me one, bless her. Oh my gosh. Is that it? So I think it's like an Amazon packaging bag, maybe. I don't know what it originated. I think it was. Because it's got that red tape there, and she's just collaged it all, and it's beautiful. So put that in my big chopper and chop it up. So we've got a little card here. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I like that. I used to have a jumper a bit like that when I was younger, and I loved it. When I say younger, I mean in my 20s, you know, not when I was a kid. That's really nice, that. Just a little something, show me. Oh. So she's put just a little something to show my appreciation for all that you do for us crafters. Thank you for all the inspiration, hints and tips, and love those giggles. Love, Sarah. Let me just put my phone on silent. So, like I said, she did say she was looking for some of the mats and would send me some. So she has, bless her heart. Ooh. Oh, she sent me quite a few there. That's very kind of you. Oh, I can't wait to have a go with these. And I think she's used these kind of things on her gel plate as well. But you can make really cool backgrounds, and I want to make some because I want to do some of my own pages for my, when I do my journals, you know, do some really nice prints and then maybe scan them in and digitalise them, and, you know, maybe share them with my group and things like that. So those are fab. I'll be having a play with those. Might have to wait, what day are we on? Tuesday. I might have to wait a few days, but I'm going to be having a play with those, so thank you. We've got some lovely paper here. Let me see if I can... I'm such a paper hoarder. I'm like opening stuff really careful so I can hoard the paper, like I haven't got enough in my craft room. Oh, what you like? Look at all this she sent. You're naughty, you shouldn't send all this stuff. How lucky am I? Where do you start? Oh, that's cute, isn't it? Oh, I like that. So that's all love themed. Lots of love. Oh, handmade. With love. Oh, I like that. I like them little hearts and them little lips. I ain't got that. That's lovely, thank you. That's really kind. Lovely. Love stamps. Love them. But she sent me some lace. Have a look, what's in here? Never have too much lace. These little bags are cute. Where are these from? IKEA. That's cute, isn't it? Look at that. Oh, that's pretty. It's stretchy as well. That's the lovely, lovely vintage colour. Thank you. Then we've got some of the black. I had some of this years ago, and you can literally cut it in half, and it makes lovely little flowers if you've got the patience to sew it. I used to do years ago. I don't know if I'd be able to see now, but it makes lovely flowers. Beautiful, lovely, thank you. That's very kind of you. Oh, bubble trim for Christmas. That's a nice one, is that? A nice little one. I like that, thank you. That'll go in my Christmas box. So I've got me like one drawer that's got all Christmas stuff in, so that when it comes to Christmas I know where everything is. Instead of it all being everything in a big mess. So that'll go in my Christmas drawer, thank you. What's these? Ooh, I like metal embellishments. Let's have a look. Oh, book corners. Do you know what? I was just saying to myself the other day that I need some book corners, because I've not got any left. I've just got to be careful because there's little screws there. Oh, look at those, thank you. Yeah. Oh, I like those ones. So they're the ones with the little tacks. So you could put those on like a little wooden box as well, because you've got the little tiny nails there. Oh, fabulous, thank you. I've got a set of 4. 1, 2, 3. I need another one. Have I got 4? Oh, there's one inside there. So yeah, she sent me 4 the same. Oh, that's brilliant. Thank you, because I really needed some of those. So that'll put me on for a bit until I can get some ordered from ye old China. Thank you. Really appreciate that. I like these little bags. These are ace. Really like that. Oh, these wanted to go back in as well, didn't they? What's these? Oh, it's like a little latch. Oh, I like that. I'm not going to get it out of the bag because it's got little tiny nails, but it's one of those like latch closure. What's this one? That's cute. Is that another little latch? What's that? Yeah, that's another little closure one. So it'll hook onto that little post there. So little closures for your journals. They're perfect, thank you. Ooh, lovely. Oh, this is why I like Happy Mail, that when people share just little bits of what they've got in their stash, because everybody's got something a bit different, haven't they? It's brilliant. I'm lucky. Now, bling mesh I do love. Pink, love it. Gold, perfect. Lovely, thank you, because I do use it. And well, I mean, it lasts you ages, but I do use it, so thank you for that. And we've got this little doily. That's lovely, isn't it? They're nice, like if you wrap them around journal covers, for example, and then add other stuff. That's really lovely. Thank you. Oh, some little screws have fallen out. Let me put them back in, because I'll be cursing when I need them and I can't find them. Let me put them in there. They're good then, because they're like double seals, aren't they? Look at this. This is lovely. Lovely fabric. Like a wide red ribbon. That's really pretty. I like that. Thank you. That's very kind. Napkins. You can never have too many napkins, and everybody's got different napkins. It says should do like a napkin swap or something, although I don't like the word swap on large scales because they always go wrong. But yeah, I might get a few people that I know will send. Look at these, aren't they fab, little dogs, and do a napkin swap. Although I'd have to get some decent ones first, because most of my good ones I've had given. Bees, lovely, because they're nice and little as well. Perfect. Just give me 2 of them. No, just 1. But there's loads on there. Oh, that was a lovely. They've not seen any of these napkins before. This is what I mean. That's nice, isn't it? The dotty one. Not seen that one before. Flamingos. Cool, I've not seen that one before. Little anchors. These are fab. Like that, that'd be nice in a mixed media. Hearts, not seen those before. Oh, I like that one. That one. That's nice. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? Like watercolour flowers. And that's nice. Oh, is it that does, is it Woolly Steph? I think it's Woolly Steph, and she does, I think I've got the right lady, she does a napkin journal. So she'll take a napkin and she'll use that as her inspiration for a journal page, and I love watching them. She's a right nice, temperamented woman as well, you know, nice and calming. Yeah, so that's the napkin that's on the front. I have got a couple of those, but they always come in handy. That's nice because it's like wood, isn't it? Wood grain. That's lovely. Ooh, beautiful. Now that's interesting because it's like, well, obviously black and white. Fabulous. So out of all of those napkins, that blue one there is the only one that I've seen before. All those are all new to me. I don't have them and I've never seen them. So how cool's that? Thank you. I'm really grateful. This is lovely and soft. Lovely and soft. Like mesh stuff, isn't it? It's fab. I love it. Thank you. There's another one of those little nails there. Let me just put it there. And what we got here, some lovely jubbly stuff. Maps. Oh, that's a nice one, isn't it? That's lovely. Oh, I like that. Yeah, because it's really like dense. The ones that I've got are atlases. They're not as detailed as that, is what I'm trying to say. This one's lovely. Oh, look at all of those. Beautiful. Fabulous. And I've just seen a lady on Instagram, and she cuts tiny little images like this and then puts them in you know, like fake photo slides or specimen slides, which I first saw Andrea Allen use with her butterflies. But this lady was doing a similar thing, but with just little cutouts like that. So I might have a go at that. Beautiful. Or obviously you could colour them as well. Look at that. Perfect. Thank you. That's very kind. What's these? Yes, some thank you stickers. Ah. Handmade with love. Thank you. Especially for you. Oh, perfect. I'll save those for when people buy me journals. Lovely. What's this? So this is Chinese or Japanese. Not sure which. But look at that. This is stuff's hard to get hold of as well. Lovely. That's beautiful, isn't it? Fabulous. Thank you. Oh, these are nice. Like little bags. Little, do they call them like jelly bean bags? Those are gorgeous. I like those, thank you. What's these? Some more, like little gusseted ones. I don't have any of these. I don't have any of those either. Those are perfect. These little brown ones, I've got a couple of these, but I don't have many. So those are perfect. Thank you ever so much. Woolworths, blimey. We're going back a few years there, aren't we? I loved Woolworths. Where did it go? They still have it in some countries. I'm sure it's like, they've still got it in like America and Australia. And we don't have Woolworths anymore. Perfect, thank you. Oh, these are pretty. Those are lovely. Like little paper bags. Beautiful. And these are, ooh, look at these. Mushrooms, to keep your mushrooms fresh. How cool are those? They're big gussets, aren't they? Oh, those are fab. They'll be great in a journal, those. Thank you. Too kind. What's this one? These are good. What are these? Are they for like recycling? Summit. Not seen these before. I like that. I really like that because you've got that there. See how big they are. I'm thinking about, I'm nearly like constructing a journal here while I'm trying to film. Oh, she sent me quite a few of those as well. Thank you, those are ace. I've not seen those before. I've not seen these. Not, you know, that size. What we got? Ooh, the big envelopes. Perfect. Because in the UK, we don't have the file folders like you Americans have. You know, the massive manila file folders. So these are a decent kind of compromise, these large folders. You can do similar things with these. Perfect. Oh, I shall be turning them into something there, ace. Thank you. What we've got here? Some papers. That's different. That's different. I've not seen that. I'll be photocopying them. That's nice. It reminds me of like when you used to do squares when you were a kid. You used to take it in turns. Perfect. Thank you. Music paper. I love vintage music paper. Perfect. Graph paper. Can never have enough of this stuff. I love it. That's perfect. Thank you ever so much. What we got here? Who'd ever have thought that we'd get so excited over graph paper? But it's like, wow, I love it. I like this one because I like this, you know, these side bits here. Fabulous. Thank you so much. All these different papers, you see, it just adds interest to your journals. Now, that's nice, isn't it, with that little red border. That's nice. She sent me quite a few of those as well. Perfect. And then this is from like a desk planner or a day planner. That's lovely, isn't it? I like that border. That's lovely. It's got days of the week, some weekend. Those are lovely. They'll make fantastic journal pages. Thank you so much for sharing those items with me. I really do appreciate it, because all these different things are what make journals interesting and different. I love it. I never get enough of all of these different papers and bags and things and napkins. So thank you. That's very, very kind. Yeah, perfect. Right, I best go find a nice home for all of these and start planning my next journal. I can use some of these items that she sent me. So thanks for sharing that Happy Mail with me. Massive thank you to Sarah. I will leave a link in the description box below to her channel and my Facebook group, which is where I've come across her, Sarah, in the first place. So please do go on over and subscribe and show us some support. I would be really grateful. Thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.